Hi everyone, I'm back again. Another quick project out of this hat pattern, McCall's M9261, and this time I'm doing view F. View F only has two pieces, a band and a top. So here is a top cut on the fold. It's a half semicircle, so it's going to open out into a circle. And here's the band. Alright, that's the full length of the band. And I have two pieces here. One will act as a facing. And that's all the pieces that there are in view F. And I made it out of the scraps, so it's a good scrap busting project to keep on making these hats. So view F, this top here has some pleats, and the pleats are the design feature on this one. So apart from that, that's all there is to it. So it's now time to do the markings and sew this up very quickly. Okay, if you are interested in the video on this pattern, I have a number of them on before when I did view E, which had a visor. I'll link to that in the description box. Okay, so I've cut out the pieces, and the only tricky part to this design, we're looking at the circular piece for the top. Now there are 8 of these pleats, and so I have done the markings. You have some smaller circles here, you have some larger circles in the center. So the shape of it, my size, I'm using the inner, what can we call this, an upside down cup. So it's pretend it's a cup turned upside down. The smaller circles are on this edge, this line, and the smaller circles are on this other line here. And what we need to do to make the pleat is to fold on this line, crease it, and bring it to meet the large circle in the center. So these two small circles creased and bring to the center, this other one and this one creased and brought to the center, and that would be the pleat. So that's the only tricky part to this top, and there are 8 of these around the whole top. The pleats are done on the right side of the fabric, so you have to remember that, because I actually started off doing the markings of the circles, as you can see here, on the wrong side, right? But on reading the instructions, I'm going to actually have to fold it on the right side and make the pleat. Once you have brought in the lines to the circle, then you just base the pleat, and it should be looking as on the pattern piece, which is like this. Okay, so you'll be basing all around the outer edge of this circular top. So that's I thought I'd zoom in and show you that. That's what I'll be doing, and basting it, and then it will be easy after that to just attach the bands. Okay. Alright, that's the last one. I've pinned all of them, brought just like that all around, creasing on the smaller circles, bringing to the center, crease again, and bring to the center just like that. So that's what it looks like. And now I'm going to base all around the outer edge at a 1/2 inch. Okay, let me show you what the back looks like. On the back, this is what it looks like, because you brought in the 2 edges. So here is the 1 line crease of the cup shape that was there, and so that's what's gonna look at the back. But we're not gonna see that. We're gonna be seeing this rounded shape of the top and the cap beginning to take shape. So now that I've pinned it into place, I'll just baste and finish it up all around. Okay. So it's all finished. Don't have a mannequin, so Minnie is the model. Minnie is the model today. Alright, so here it is with the pleats, and Minnie is wearing it. Right, there's a band here, top stitch And here's the back on Minnie with the band tied. There we go. So that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna have to invest in a head mannequin since I love making these. And in the meantime, Minnie will be enjoying this hat. So I had fun making it. Simple pleats and bands. So I'll probably be making more out of scraps again soon. Bye. See you in the next video.